Hello, this is Robbie Mitchell from Head in the Cloud Development, here to give you a quick demonstration of the Head in the Cloud Easy Sale bundle for NetSuite. This video is being recorded in December 2021 on NetSuite version 2021.2. So what is the Easy Sale bundle? I'm glad you've asked. Basically, it's an easy-to-implement, single-page mini e-commerce system. The idea is that perhaps your business is simple enough that you don't want or need a regular full e-commerce website, but you want to give people the option to shop online for a simple catalog of 10 or 20 items. I'll use our own business as an example. This is our Easy Sale checkout page. We obviously sell NetSuite bundles and services. We certainly don't need an entire e-commerce website to do that. But with this, if somebody wants to buy a bundle from us, they can do so directly from our website without needing to go through any annoying sales contact processes. This mini commerce page can exist on its own, or you can embed it as an iframe on your regular website. When users submit their order, it goes directly into NetSuite and generates a sales transaction. The truth is, this tool is very simple. It really is just an online order entry form. We're not adding any extra card processing or payment capture capabilities here. It relies purely on what is already built securely by Oracle into NetSuite. Enough talk, let me show you how it works. So starting in NetSuite, I don't even have the bundle installed yet, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go to Search and Install Bundles. First, type in Head in the Cloud Easy Sale and press Enter. It should be the first one that comes up, bundle ID 380248. Now you can do this too. Anyone can install this bundle and try it for free for 30 days. While this is installing, let's think about what items we're going to want to show on our Easy Sales page. The items that are shown are controlled by a saved search. So here I have an Easy Sale items search. For this demo Easy Sales page, I'm pretending that we're selling bottles of wine. So my criteria on the search here control which items will show up. And my results column control what information about these items is shown on the page. So my criteria is simply non-inventory items that are sub-items of my wine item and that are not inactive. And for each item, I'm showing the name, description, and base price. So again, when I look at my search results, this is what's going to show up on my Easy Sales page. Let's see if our bundle is done installing yet. Okay, so it's finished. So once the bundle is done installing, we'll set up the configuration record. So let's go to Setup, Integration, Head in the Cloud, Easy Sales Configuration, New. This record lets you control all the settings for your Easy Sale checkout page. The idea here is that you might have different configurations for your different subsidiaries of your company. So since this configuration is going to be for my Honeycomb Manufacturing subsidiary, I'm going to set the name to Honeycomb Manufacturing as well. I'm going to mark this as the default configuration, and I'm going to enter my company details the way I want them to display on the page. This logo is the one that shows up on the confirmation page after someone buys something. I set my payment deposit account to be 1090 undeposited funds because my payment processor does settlement batch payouts the following day. And very importantly, our items saved search should be set to Easy Sale items in my case. And I'm going to sell my items at list price. And we'll be selling from our San Francisco location. And here we have the option of creating a sales order or a cash sale. I'm going to go with cash sale for now. Now, I like to get notified when someone buys something on my site, so I'm going to enter my email address here. For the HTML template, the default one is HITC Easy Sales Template. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to change this template to make the look and feel more of your own. But for now, let's go ahead and set our payment processing profile. Now let's save this and see how it all comes together. To find the Easy Sales Suitelet, go to Customization, Scripting, Scripts, and you can set your filters here to Suitelet at the top, and then look for HITC Easy Sale Suitelet. Go to the Deployments tab and click on the deployment, and what we're looking for is this external URL. So if you have a company website, this is what you'll want to embed as an iframe. So I'm going to click on it and see how it looks. Ta-da! Here it is. Very simple, right? We see my company details as I entered them, and we see the items from that item search I showed you. Now let's try it out. Let's say I just want one bottle of Oregon Pinot Noir. I'm going to enter my details, and I'm going to click Checkout. And with that, we can see that it has generated cash sale 1376 in NetSuite. Back in NetSuite, let's take a look at that transaction. So here it is. And if we look at the Billing tab, we see that my payment did go through. And if we check the Communication tab, we can see that an email receipt was sent to the customer. This is just done following standard NetSuite emailing preferences. So now let's go back and I'll show you how to customize the look and feel of the checkout page itself. So back on your Easy Sale configuration record, go ahead and download this HTML template. Now open the file in your code or text editor of your choice. This could be Notepad or something a bit more sophisticated like VS Code, which is of course free to download. So I'm opening it in VS Code. And now for this example, I'm just going to change the page title and add in my own logo. So let's change the page title to be Head in the Cloud. And I'm going to get my logo from just this one in NetSuite here. I'm just going to pop that right in here. And you can see here there are some required tags that the script uses, but other than that, you're pretty free to customize this to however you want. So now, most importantly, make sure you do a save as and change the file name to perhaps include your own company name. I'll warn you that if you edit our template directly, the next time you update the bundle, your changes will be overwritten, so make sure you do a save as. So now when you're ready, back in NetSuite, edit your Easy Sale configuration, and let's just replace this template with the one we just made. So I'm going to click the plus icon. Now my folder is set to templates, and I'm just going to upload this file that I just made, and then save the configuration. And if I go back and look at the Easy Sale page again, we see that the logo is updated and the title is updated as well, so it's definitely using my new template. And that concludes the demonstration. At Head in the Cloud Development, we're always looking for ideas to make our products better. Please get in touch if you have any product feedback or if you are interested in purchasing this bundle. You can email us at gurus@headintheclouddev.com or contact us through our website at www.headintheclouddev.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at SuiteWorld.